Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the FJALLRAVEN Vardag Pocket. Let's call it that way. It might be pronounced differently, but this is what it says on the tin. And here is the bag or pocket or whatever you want to call it. Has a little Arctic fox from FJALLRAVEN on the top here. In the bag it says this is G1000, which is the material that they use. In the front it has one zipper compartment, and in the back it has one zipper compartment. Quickly to go around it. It comes in a very simple packaging, as you can see, Vardag Pocket, and the color is desert brown. Says desert brown, but to me it's more of an orange peach kind of color. This thing is quite small, so if I compare these to my Kanken sling, which I have here, this is quite thinner and obviously not as wide as this is. Size wise the height is similar, or length in this case. The functions, as you can see, there is a little key clip which is protruding from the here, and we'll try to quickly see what fits in this and to see how this could be utilized. So, back pocket. For the back pocket, I think this is a good place where you could put, let's say, an iPhone. I have an iPhone 13 Max. Easily slips in there. Alright, I'm back quickly for another 2-minute addition to this video, because I have used the bag now for 2 days, and I just want to clear one information I did in the beginning of the video, which is not correct. I finally played around with the bag and realized that there is enough of the strap for even bigger people like me. So the way I have said it now, I even returned it back for like 2 centimeters, as you see here, because at the longer setting is even too long for me, okay? The bag is otherwise a really nice piece. I love it a lot. 2 things which I will mention. I will show what I have worn in it today. In the bag, I will always put my phone, which is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, size-wise, so you're able to know that this is going to easily fit into this. From the front today, I have had my keys on this little clip, which is here, and I took them off obviously when I came to the flat. I have also had a bottle of hand sanitizer in this pocket, a mask, a Frutabella bar, which is like a granola bar, something like that, and a packable low-key shopping bag, which I have if I'm going to do some groceries, so I'm able to have with me, and also a Pilot 0.7 F grip pen. So this is what is in this bag with me today, plus a little Victorinox knife and a set of AirPods. So quite a lot. I mean, quite reasonably sized, I would say. Let's put this back in as it was. The chocolate bar, the mask, the pen, and the hand sanitizer. There, and I'll close it. Zippers are very nice to open and close. So far I can recommend this bag for the price that I paid for, which was around 20 something euro. It's a very great purchase. And if you have any questions, obviously let me know, and I'll come back to you in the due days. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.